is Harshika.
And this is Swetcha.
And today we're doing a blindfolded taste testing challenge. So, a special person has created a wheel and put different food items on it. Hopefully nothing's non-vegetarian.
Because we are vegetarian, we don't eat meats.
Yeah, so we have our blindfolds right here and let's get started.
We'll see you when we are blindfolded and the wheel's back there.
Yep. So we have our blindfolds and the spinner is right there. So we do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to figure out who goes first. Okay,
How are we supposed to know who?
I'll tell you.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Harshika, rock, and Swetcha's paper.
Okay, paper beats rock, so she won.
Okay, so
He's going to
go
be
first.
fed first.
Okay,
Alright.
here's the wheel, I guess. Ready? Go. Do you know
All right, Harshika, Swetcha. Okay, I'm coming up, okay?
this? Okay, so
All right, Swetcha, open wide. Open wide, come on.
Chocolate brush. So I am ready. Can I have some water?
Yeah, sure.
Water.
You got that. Okay, you got that yucky stuff.
Ew. What is it?
Yeah, your turn.
Okay, it's right here.
I don't know what he's gonna get. I hope it's something like.
What is? Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so it's her turn. She's getting.
I have
You
no
guys
idea
can
what
see.
it's fun.
Okay, Harshika, open wide.
It's sweet. It's powdery. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like those flake thingies. It has like strings and nuts. I don't know the name of the sweet, but I know it's a sweet. Can I describe it? I don't know the name of it, but can I describe it? It's a sweet. It's like those string. It kind of has like layers, and when you eat it,
Oh, you're thinking it's som papdi?
yes,
No, it's not som papdi. Okay, Harshika, you want to try some more?
yes,
To
please.
decide if you can.
Little by little, please. Gulab jamun powder.
No.
Then I don't know.
All right, you give up?
Yeah, I don't know.
Swetcha's turn. Come on, Swetcha.
Okay. Oh, where's the wheel? It's right here, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what it is. Okay. What? I'll try this again. What is it? I don't know what it is. What is this? Oh.
You're right.
Was
I
it
did
the
not
same
touch
thing you
it.
fed me?
No.
Oh.
I didn't touch it. I knew what it was before and I just said it.
Okay.
Hey.
Your turn to spin again.
What did you get, Harshika?
How do I know? Ketchup!
What?
Water!
Ketchup. Okay, guys.
All right.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna spin. Harshika got ketchup. Yay. Okay. Where's it? Okay, it's right there. Okay, guys. Ready? I hope it's not. Just download it.
Ready,
Okay,
Swetcha?
guys. I'm so nervous what it is. It's sour. Blech.
It's not peanuts.
Peanuts are sour.
Okay, I want to try again. Hazelnuts?
Hazelnuts? No, it's not hazelnuts.
I don't know. No. Yeah,
Okay.
it's terrible. Where's my mouth?
Where's your mouth?
That one.
All right, Harshika, it's your turn to spin now.
Where's the glass?
Okay. So okay. I'll just take this one.
Are you ready?
Yes.
No touching. All right, your turn again, Swetcha.
Hey, it's my turn again. Okay, ready?
Oh,
Oh no, pretty sure it's onions. I don't want onions. I don't like onions. I hate onions.
If it's crunchy, then probably.
Salt.
Correct. You're right.
You thought it was onions.
Harshika.
Okay. Oh, okay, right. I think it's some sort of walnut or nut.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
What do you think it is?
Almond.
All right, your turn, Swetcha.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna spin. Where is that? Oh no, that's a bad sound. It's bad. I don't know what it is. Okay, guys, as you can see, I know whatever
Open.
this is. It's capsicum. No, I don't want to taste it. I don't want to.
Okay, that could be.
Yeah. I don't know what this is, but it's terrible.
Harshika, your turn.
Okay. Okay. No.
I think it's ketchup.
It's not ketchup.
See, you would say good stuff, only the healthy stuff. Vanilla.
No?
All the tea, coffee stuff.
Nope.
Chocolate mix.
Nope.
Yeah, too many tries. No, that's enough.
It's like chocolate. Coffee. Exactly, the coffee instant coffee stuff.
It's not coffee.
Bonvita.
Yes. Okay, Swetcha, your turn.
Okay.
Oh, Swetcha.
Okay, that's not the sound I expected.
Yes.
Ready?
Okay, guys, I got something really.
Okay, Harshika, your turn.
Okay, I might need my blindfold to be tightened a bit. I feel it's loose. Oh, what was that?
That's
Oh.
just stiff.
Okay, Harshika, ready?
Okay.
Open wide.
Ginger!
No, it's not.
Carrot.
Correct. Your turn, Swetcha.
Okay.
I'm assuming you do not want to taste it and pass the turn. Okay, Harshika, your turn.
Okay, so she gave up. She didn't want to taste that. Okay, where's it?
But I bet you will be able to recognize it.
Oh no. Oh, I know what it is.
What?
Salt.
How do you know?
Sounds.
Oh,
salt. No, I heard it. I heard you pouring it. Okay.
Your turn, Swetcha.
I'm removing. You know those kishi things, whatever they call them?
What is it?
No.
What do you think it is, Harshika?
Craisins.
Yes, you're right. It's craisins. Okay.
They're craisins.
Yeah.
Craisins are similar to raisins, but they're cranberries and stuff.
Yeah. Your turn, Harshika. Right. Open wide.
Tastes kind of good.
Guys,
I don't know.
any more guesses or are you
I
giving
think
up?
I'm done.
All right, so you can open your blindfolds and see what you got there.
Finally. Oh.
Sunflower seeds. What is, okay, sugar, salt.
Okay, so we had ketchup.
Okay guys, it seems like Harshika won this round.
So yeah, I won this challenge, and if you like this video, be sure to like,
share, and subscribe.
to our channel,
And hit the notification bell for notifications.
and hit the bell icon for notifications
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
latest videos.
Good.